Surprise! This is the first mini solo miner, which one card supports mining Aleo, while the other supports mining DOGE, Litecoin, and 9 other altcoins. Perfect for anyone new to mining. Hey guys, welcome back to ASIC Arc channel. Today I'm showing you the Goldshell BYTE. It's the first mini solo miner that supports main altcoin, and it's a great starter miner for beginners. If you want to mine without a huge investment, this is your chance. Because it doesn't take much to start mining. Its tiny design fits anywhere, your desk or your shelf. And with the Goldshell Zone app, you can check and control everything remotely anytime. The next altcoin boom is coming, and this is your chance to get in early. Don't forget to follow, like, and bookmark our YouTube channel. Join our Telegram channel for real-time updates, and discover more at asicarc.com to enjoy exclusive discounts and special prices. Let's open it. Wow, it really looks like a gadget, so tiny. Here is the Aleo card. This miner supports 2 cards, even different coins at the same time. So you can mine 2 currencies simultaneously. Very convenient. When you buy a Goldshell BYTE, you get a free DOGE card included. That means 1 card is free. If you want to mine other coins or fill both slots, you'll need to buy extra cards. Honestly, I wish the free card could be chosen, not just limited to DOGE. This is the shell. If it breaks, you can buy a new one separately. L and R mark the card slots, and you can check their status in the back end. Here are the TF card slot and power plug, and the IP button is at the back. When you put the card back, just push it in. This lock helps secure the mining cards, preventing them from accidentally falling out. Here's the power adapter. I have to tell you, this adapter works worldwide. Whether you're in the US or Europe, you don't need to buy another one, which saves a lot of hassle. Also, this power adapter is a 140-watt unit custom made for this miner, and you need to buy it separately. If you use other chargers like a laptop or phone charger, the miner will run, but it won't meet the power requirements and your hash rate could drop by about 20%. So, it's better to stick with the original adapter for more stable performance and higher efficiency. When you want to take the plug out, just press this button and lift it up. Let's power it on. The lights turn on, which means the miner is checking itself. The fan starts spinning, it looks great and has a special design. All the lights are on, looks like it's booting up successfully. Now, let me show you an awesome feature, hot swapping. This means you can pull out a card while the miner is running, the miner still keep running with the other card. When you remove a card, its corresponding light goes off. Both cards are out, and as you can see, the lights on the right turned off. It lets you change cards you want and quickly check its status. Likewise, when I inserted the cards, the corresponding indicator light turned on. Now all the lights are on, which means the machine is working properly. The lock holds the card firmly, so no matter how much you shake it, the card won't fall out easily. Let's connect to the pool. First, connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi. Then, find and connect to Goldshell BYTE network. Copy this address, open it in your browser. Here's the backend dashboard, where you can see that both cards are connected successfully. If I pull a card out, it updates in real time. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi again. Then enter this website, find.goldshell.com, to find your miner. Okay, let's wait a moment and refresh. Here's the machine. Click the settings icon and you'll go directly to the backend. First, unlock the miner. The default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you can connect to the pool. Just select the coin and enter the pool info. I'm using DXPool because it's easy to use. Enter its address and your miner name and password. Apply it. The machine is mining now. The hash rate's hitting 13.53 megahashes per second, pretty much official data. Both cards are working. Usually the fan that spins faster means that side is running hotter and a bit louder too. After some time, the hash rate's steady between 12 and 14 mega hashes per second, and the theoretical and actual hash rate are looking good together. This miner runs only in high power mode. In this mode, the temperature usually stays around 57 to 61 degrees Celsius. Be careful when hot swapping at this time because the cards get really hot, so handle the it carefully. The noise at the air vent is around 55 decibels and gets up to about 70 decibels when you get closer. But don't worry, at 1 meter away, the sound is very quiet. I made a chart here, hope it helps everyone. To sum up, BYTE's hash rate is on the lower side, so quick profit is a bit tough. But it's perfect for mining beginners who want to try mining without putting in too much effort or money. This solo miner is a great choice. It's small and sleek, almost like a gadget, and won't stand out sitting next to your PC. Plus, Jingle Mining just released a new app, Goldshell Zone, which lets you check and control your miner anytime, anywhere. Right now is an amazing time for altcoins. It's your chance to jump in and turn those small gains into something huge. Okay, thanks for watching today's video. See you next time. Bye! Don't forget to follow, like, and bookmark our YouTube channel. Join our Telegram channel for real-time updates and discover more at asacark.com to enjoy exclusive discounts and special prices.